What's up, you guys? Welcome back. If we haven't met yet, my name is Lynn. This is my husband, Sean, and you are at the happiest, most magical channel. Tonight, we are headed off to the airport because we're going to fly from Anchorage, Alaska to Orlando, Florida. We are so excited. Our flight leaves at 1 a.m. and we don't get there until like 5:40 p.m. So it's a really long day of traveling. We're stopping off at Seattle for a couple hours before hopping on a different plane to fly the rest of the way to Orlando. Can't wait to take you along on this journey, and I'll see you guys at the airport.
Ready, dear?
Ready. Hi, guys. So we're about to board the plane, and our flight to Seattle is about 3.5 hours long, and then we have a 4-hour layover. So right now we're going to take the tram to get to the end gate because that is where our next flight is going to depart from, and plus we like the lounge better there. So we're at the Alaska Airlines lounge at the end gate, and for breakfast I have a bottled water, a chocolate chip muffin, and some hard-boiled eggs. They've got these cards at every table, so you can flip it over when you're finished.
Are you ready?
Ready. Let's go! Hey guys, we made it to Orlando, and now we are going to go get our luggage and hop on the Magical Express. So we got our luggage, and now we're gonna go find the Magical Express.
Do you have your band?
So we put on our magic bands, so vacation has officially begun.
Yes, to get a private car. Hold on. Thank you.
So we got dropped off at Saratoga, and we checked in with Bell Services. They're helping us bring our luggage and our groceries to our hotel. This resort is sprawling. It's so huge, and I can't wait to share a map with you guys so you can see how big this place is.
Go back to the lobby, just come back here and take this to the sidewalk. It is ice and cold machine downstairs.
Oh, perfect.
Roma, you find the groceries we have. Go another day. I start asking that way. If it's here, bring it to your room. We've danced for tonight, and now this is it. Maybe Disney Springs? some dinner?
Maybe,
Yeah.
Yes, why not? You can take the bus from down here, sir.
Okay.
All right, you guys, after a very long day of traveling, we finally made it home for the next 3 nights. So we are staying at Saratoga Springs and we are in room 5236, which is located in the Paddock area. So this is our first time here and we are so blown away by how beautiful this resort is. And we were told that this area has recently been renovated, and let me show you around the room before we mess it all up. So without further ado, let's get this room tour started. All right, so we are staying in a studio villa, and once you open the door, you see the little area to hang all of your coats or purses, and then you've got this beautiful full-length mirror to check yourself out before you head out to the parks. This is the main door, and next to the door is another door, so if you booked an adjacent room, you'd have access to go next door. And then let's take a look at our little kitchenette here. So since this is a DVC room, you've got your standard microwave, you've got your coffee machine, you've got your toaster, we've got dish soap, and then this is our fridge. I'm gonna show it open so you guys can have an idea of how much room you're working with. And notice that there's not like a little freezer area here. And turning this way, this is where the beautiful bathroom is. And as far as amenities go, we do have some body lotion. We've also got the facial soap here. We've got this magnetic light up mirror. And yeah, so here's the bathroom. Extra toilet paper down there and tissue. And then look at the spacious closet. It's huge. We've got some wood hangers, a lot of room in the back over there, and a built-in safe. At the top is where you can find extra bedding. And behind this door is where we find the bathroom. The bathroom is pretty spacious. I'm really impressed with it. I love these hooks that are on here on the door. Here's where we have some extra towels. And I love the tile work in this bath. So this is our first time staying at Walt Disney World since like February 2019. So this is our first time seeing this whole this setup here. So we've got body wash, shampoo, and conditioner built into the wall. So there's this door here, but I'm not sure what it leads to because it's locked. And into the main area is this beautiful bench. This is where our trash can is, and it also has like a little recycling section. And check this mirror out. Ooh, I love it. And I love the reflection. Do you see the reflection back there? We've got a horse, we've got a equestrian Mickey hat, and then a medal. Super cute. And then here is where we have our dresser. And on the side of the dresser is where you can plug in things. So you can have regular plugins or USB plugins, which is pretty neat. And I love this gorgeous tabletop. And of course, we've got this ambient music going on in the background. Here is the queen size bed. Here's the couch, and we've got this coffee table here. But check this out. I didn't know that there was a Murphy bed in here, and it is so cool. Can't wait to open it up for you guys so you can see who's hiding behind here. Ta-da! Isn't that so adorable? It says Saratoga Springs Stables. I love it so much, and I especially love that hidden Mickey on the side. So since it's dark right now, you can't really see what our view is like. So in the morning, I will show you. So we grabbed a map when we checked in, and as you can see from this resort map, it is huge. So off to the far left is where they have the treehouse villas, and it is my dream to stay at one of the treehouse villas someday. So hopefully we can make that happen. Check-in is over here, and then our room is in the Paddock area. So I believe that's our building, I think. I'm not entirely sure. Since it's dark outside, it's really hard for me to orient myself where we're at. But yeah, I'm so excited to be here. And Sean actually went to go get food. We did mobile order from Artist Palette, and he's walking around now. So hopefully he'll be back soon. I actually really like this flooring. Can we get an appreciation video for the flooring choices that Disney does? It's so nice. Sean just got back. He went to pick up food from Artist Palette, and I cannot wait to try what we ordered. So for our dessert, because dessert is the most important part of the meal, I ordered, what is this? I actually ordered Bullseye's cupcake, but they gave us this instead, but that's all right. It still looks good. This is the milk and cookies cupcake. Ooh, ah. And then I ordered I think this is the Philly?
I think so.
The Philly, check that out. Comes with potato chips, yum. Oh, this is difficult to show on the camera, hold on. Hold on, there we go. Yum. And then Sean got chili, and he also got a wrap. Okay, you guys, we've had such a long day traveling. I think we're gonna end this vlog here. Tomorrow we are spending the day at Disney's Hollywood Studios, so wish us luck. Hopefully we get a boarding pass for Rise of the Resistance. But yeah, I'm really happy to be here, and thanks so much for following day 1 of our vlog. See you guys tomorrow.